These sections deal with situations where a surety, guarantor, is released from their obligation. Section 134 states that a surety is discharged if the principal debtor, borrower, is released or their liability is discharged. Section 135 clarifies that a surety is also discharged if the creditor agrees to a composition, extends the repayment timeline, or promises not to sue the principal debtor, unless the surety consents to this. Section 136 clarifies that the surety is not discharged if the agreement to give time is made with a third party, not the principal debtor. 1. Section 134, Discharge of surety by release, discharge of principal debtor. Scenario: imagine Ravi takes a loan of 30,000 rupees from a bank, with his friend, Priya, acting as the surety. If the bank later forgives Ravi's loan, or he's declared bankrupt, Priya is also discharged from her liability. Explanation: if the principal debtor's obligation to repay is gone, the surety's obligation to repay on the debtor's behalf is also gone. 1. Section 135, Discharge of surety when creditor compounds with, gives time to, or agrees not to sue principal debtor. Scenario: same as above, but instead of forgiving Ravi's loan, the bank agrees to reduce it to 15,000 rupees and extends the repayment time by 6 months. Explanation: this change in the terms of the original agreement between Ravi and the bank, without Priya's consent, discharges Priya as a surety. Priya's liability is discharged because the agreement with Ravi alters the risk she initially agreed to undertake. 1. Section 136, Surety not discharged when agreement made with third person to give time to principal debtor. Scenario: Ravi asks his uncle, John, to make a separate agreement with the bank to give Ravi some time to repay, but the bank doesn't alter their agreement with Ravi. Explanation: the agreement between the bank and Ravi's uncle does not affect Priya's position as a surety. Her liability remains unchanged because the terms of the original agreement with Ravi, the principal debtor, are not altered. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.